Tesla is often seen as a car company, but at its core, Elon Musk's mission has always been bigger: to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The Shanghai Megapack Facility is the latest bold step in that direction. Located in the heart of China's manufacturing powerhouse, this facility will produce 40 gigawatt-hours of energy storage capacity each year, enough to support hundreds of large-scale renewable projects worldwide. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. Why build a giant battery factory in Shanghai? The answer lies in both strategy and demand. China is racing to achieve carbon neutrality, and with its booming solar and wind sectors, the need for large-scale energy storage has never been higher. Megapacks, Tesla's grid-scale battery units, are designed to solve one of renewable energy's biggest challenges: intermittency. By storing excess power when the sun shines or the wind blows and releasing it when demand peaks, Megapacks help stabilize power grids and ensure reliable energy delivery. For Tesla, this Shanghai facility is more than just a factory. It's a global hub for energy storage technology, serving markets outside the United States and positioning Tesla as a world leader in grid-scale storage.
Yeah, it's really an ability for us to scale the production and the efficiency of our business. Historically, we've only had one factory in the United States, and it allows us to basically double our capacity and ship to more markets around the world, and to work on our efficiency and costs so that our customers can enjoy Megapacks globally. They're going to be exported, and they will be exported this quarter.
The factory's journey has been nothing short of record-breaking. Tesla began building the facility in 2023 and started trial production in December 2024, just 12 months later. By February 2025, full production had begun, and in March 2025, the first batch of Megapacks was shipped to customers.
But expect 12 or more, a little more than 12 months. All the teams are working together with the same goal. So you really can reduce the friction in the system, and the decision-making is nearly instantaneous. The support from the local government is a major contributor as well. They made sure that we could move at the speed that we needed to, and that they were in full support of the factory.
To put 40 gigawatt-hours into perspective, that's enough energy storage to power around 3 million homes for 1 hour, or to balance entire city grids during peak demand. Until now, Tesla's main energy hub was its Lathrop facility in California, which has a similar production capacity. The Shanghai factory doubles Tesla's footprint in grid-scale battery production, enabling the company to deliver over 100 gigawatt-hours of storage annually worldwide. This also ties into Tesla's global strategy. While trade tensions between the US and China have led to tariffs and talk of decoupling, Tesla has managed to build strong partnerships in both regions. By producing Megapacks in China, Tesla can serve the rapidly growing Asian and international markets, while its US factories supply domestic demand. For China, the factory is a perfect fit. It supports the country's renewable energy ambitions, and its plan to have 1,200 gigawatts of wind and solar installed by 2030. Large-scale storage is critical to making that vision a reality. So what exactly is a Megapack? Unlike the batteries in your phone or Tesla car, Megapacks are designed for utility-scale energy storage. Each unit can store up to 3.9 megawatt-hours of electricity. That's enough to power 3,600 homes for an hour. Megapacks are built for fast deployment and minimal maintenance. They come pre-assembled, include advanced fire safety systems, and are connected to Tesla's energy management software for real-time grid balancing. This combination of hardware and software allows utilities to integrate renewables efficiently while reducing reliance on fossil fuel peaker plants. The first shipments from the Shanghai factory are already making waves. In March 2025, Tesla signed a deal with Chilean energy company Colbún, supplying 228 megawatts/912 megawatt-hours of Megapacks for the Celda solar project. This project, co-located with a 228 megawatt solar farm, will become one of Chile's largest energy storage sites, expected to go live by mid-2026. Tesla's Shanghai Megapack facility is not just a factory, it's a milestone in the global energy transition. By producing tens of thousands of Megapacks each year, Tesla is helping utilities worldwide move away from fossil fuels and embrace a renewable, stable, and sustainable energy future.
The latest energy product from tech giant Tesla, the Megapack, is essentially a great big battery that can be used to both store electricity and dispatch it as and when needed. And when I say it's big, I mean it's really, really big. Tesla has been in the energy game for quite some time now and has routinely pushed the boundaries of what's possible with renewable sources since entering the market. The three energy storage solutions that Tesla currently offers, the Powerwall, Powerpack, and now the Megapack, are in essence all the same, varying only in size and intended application. The Powerwall, which is for home use, works by storing excess energy captured by residential solar panels and releasing it back into the household when the sun goes down. The Powerwall can also be used as a charging station for those devoted Tesla fans that own one of their many electric vehicles too. Tesla's Powerpack is the company's utility-sized rechargeable battery solution and is designed to store energy for off-grid and supplemental power systems. The Powerpack can be used for large factories, out-of-town superstores, and when multiple units are rigged up together, it can even be used to supplement energy for the electrical grid. As the name suggests, the Megapack is Tesla's largest storage battery and is intended to be used for gigascale projects. Gigascale meaning applications that require in excess of 1 gigawatt-hour of energy capacity, which is enough to power every single home in San Francisco for 6 hours straight. Like the Powerpack, the Megapack can also supplement the electrical grid and can do so to a higher capacity whilst taking up far less space. There are other large-scale storage solutions on the market that can already meet these wattage demands. However, the Megapack requires 40% less space, is made up of 10 times fewer parts, and can be installed 10 times faster than its closest competitors. The Megapack is also a completely enclosed plug-and-play unit, meaning that the battery modules, inverters, heat management systems, wiring, and all other components are neatly tucked away into the container-sized box. This facilitates off-site assembly and speeds up the installation process even further. Tesla is already utilizing this technology in smaller packages, so what makes this bigger industrial-sized version worth talking about? On the face of it, the Megapack might just be a big box that stores energy, but storing energy in this way, with this small of a footprint, has been all but unheard of until now. The Megapack is showing good promise of becoming the future of supplementary power, which will not only be beneficial to the environment, but also save business, cities, and even entire countries millions, if not billions, every year.
As Tesla expands beyond electric vehicles into energy infrastructure, one question remains. Could large-scale battery storage be the true key to unlocking a zero-carbon future? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of energy.